During this video, we are going to quickly go over the settings that are associated with InstaBuilder 2.0. Now, once you have this plugin installed, on the left-hand side over here, when you see InstaBuilder, you have the dashboard and you have the settings. So we're going to go to the settings, and luckily there's not too many settings that you need to configure for InstaBuilder. So at the very top, under the general settings, we have two options. The first is if you want to advertise InstaBuilder 2.0 in your footer, you can enable that here and insert your affiliate URL here. This is completely optional and up to you if you want to try to make any money with the footer of your website by advertising the InstaBuilder plugin. Next up is your license key, which should look something like this here. And your only option is to kind of remove this license key. Maybe if you're not going to use InstaBuilder on this website anymore, you would need to, remove your license key and then uninstall the plugin. Next up, we have the Facebook options. If you plan on using the Facebook connects for your opt-in forms, or the Facebook comments, or the Facebook likes, or any of the social features that are included with InstaBuilder, then you need to fill this out. What you have to do is you're going to click on this little link here to create a Facebook app. That's going to take you to Facebook, and you are going to click on create a new app. You're going to give it a name and a namespace. It doesn't really matter what it is. You can just name it the name of your website or whatever. And you are going to create your app ID. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you a Facebook app ID and a Facebook app secret. And you're going to need to copy and paste those both here. That will allow you to use the Facebook comments and the Facebook likes and everything like that with no issues. Below that, we have the Discuss comment section. Discuss is a commenting platform that you can use. If you don't use Facebook or you don't want to use the WordPress options, you can use Discuss. And what you have to do is you have to register with Discuss. So you can go over here and click this link and sign up. It is free. And you will have to register your site with Discuss, and they will give you a Discuss short name that you can enter here. And that will allow you to link your website, your WordPress website, with your Discuss commenting system. Next up, we have a GoToWebinar. You need to do this if you plan on making any webinar pages with the InstaBuilder plugin. They do have webinar templates that you can use. So if you plan on doing that and you plan on using the GoToWebinar, then you are going to need to create your account with Citrix by clicking here. You're going to have to sign up for it. And once you get all signed up and link your website, they are going to give you a consumer key that you need to link here. And if you do it correctly, then you will notice your status here is connected instead of disconnected. Next up, we have an image search API. Now, basically what this is inside of InstaBuilder, we have a search feature that you can search the internet for images like background images or any kind of images that you want to implement into your website. Now, even though the search feature works pretty good as it is, you can insert your Flickr API key and or your Pixabay API key and username, and that's going to allow InstaBuilder to go out there and find even more results when you're searching for images. It just kind of enhances the results that you get back when you use that search feature. Completely optional. And it just depends on how much you use the search feature and if you want to get more results back when you do use that. And last but not least, we have the image editor. If you plan on editing any images inside of the visual editor, which you can do, InstaBuilder uses a program called Avery, and you're going to have to sign up for your account at avery.com. And you can actually click on this link over here and you can sign up for an account. It's free. And once you sign up, they just give you an API key and you need to paste that API key here. And upon doing so, you will be able to edit your images inside of the visual editor anytime that you would like. All right.